everyone, welcome to Keeping Up with Linda. Today I'm gonna make pumpkin jam. Yeah, this is a Halloween pumpkin that I've been keeping since then and wondering what am I gonna do with it. And today is the day. I've decided to make a wonderful pumpkin jam. Let's do it. Let's start by washing our pumpkin. And now we're gonna cut it, peel it, and weigh it. Oh, beautiful. The seeds I'm gonna save. Nothing goes to waste. You can tell that the pumpkin has been sitting around for a while. It's totally like the seeds are even like dry. They're no longer with all that moisture that they normally have. That's totally normal because it's now January 15 and Halloween was October 31st, as you know. So yeah, let's do this because these seeds, I'll be roasting them. They're really good. And they're really healthy too. Full of magnesium. That's quite a lot of seeds for a small pumpkin. Okay, so now, wow, look at all these strings. We're going to turn all of this into jam. I feel pretty comfortable using a knife like that, but if you don't, then you can cut it in a different way and peel it towards the table. Now we're going to cut it in pieces. I'm going to make them smaller so that way it'll cook faster. So about that size. I never made jam from a Halloween pumpkin before. This is the first, but I'm sure it's going to be delicious. Wow. See how much we're going to have here. This whole table is a cutting board, just so you know. Nothing goes to waste. Let's use it all. Every little piece of it. That's it. So what are we gonna need to make this jam? We're gonna need 2 pots. One to make the actual jam, and another one to boil your jars and lids for about 10 minutes to sterilize them. Then obviously we're gonna need the pumpkin. I have about 2 kilos of pumpkin here. We're gonna need some orange peel. I leave it big so when it's time to take it out it's very easy. 3 cinnamon sticks, some sugar. I have 1.2 kilograms of sugar here. A wooden spoon to mix, and I'm gonna give it a twist. I have half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of crushed chilies. When I make jam that's from a vegetable versus a fruit, I like to introduce a little kick, a little bit of spice. So that's it. Let's do it. And we're gonna start by putting a layer of pumpkin, 1 of the orange peel, 2 of these cinnamon sticks, and some of the sugar, and then more pumpkin, more orange peel, more cinnamon, and more sugar. And our secret weapon. That's that. We're going to bring it to a boil until it's totally cooked. So on medium heat. It's getting very soft and it smells amazing. In the meantime, we'll put the jars boiling. Good. It's been 30 minutes and the pumpkin is nice and soft and it's now ready to blend. Let's remove the orange peel, the cinnamon sticks. There's one. The jars are also ready. All right, so let's blend it now. I'm gonna leave a couple of chunks because I like to find pieces of the actual pumpkin. Okay, so that's the puree right there. And now it's going to go back on a medium heat to reduce a little bit more till it's ready. Let's remove the jars. These are the pieces that I'm talking about. I like to find big pieces of the actual fruit or vegetable in my jam. So we're going to let it simmer until it's at the right consistency, and then I'll show you what that is. So on low heat. It's looking very good. We're gonna see if it's ready. This is how you know if your jam is in the right consistency. We're gonna remove some from the pot and put it on a plate. Just a bit more. Now we're gonna make a road. So with your wooden spoon, just go through it. And if you're able to create a road, that means your jam is cooked. If it was to go back together, then it means it's not cooked yet. But when you do this and it stays like that, that means it's ready. It's looking really, really good. Now let's transfer the jam into the jars. One more. Looks like there's gonna be jam left over. 2 kilos of pumpkin gave me, so there's 5 jars so far, and this is at least another one and then some. I'm gonna close them all and turn them upside down to create that vacuum seal that we want. So this jam will last a while in your pantry. However, when you do open one up, keep it in the fridge. So I have my 5 jars of pumpkin jam. I have jam for tasting right now, and I still have all this jam left over. So I'm gonna try to do something. I have these little dumpling wraps, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some pumpkin jam dumplings. Something like this, like little empanaditas, but I'm gonna fry it. Just a little bit in the middle. Gotta wet your wrap. Oh, so cute. See the crushed chilies there? Oh, this gives it such a good kick. This one is ready. Oh, so cute. So like I said, I'm just using the dumpling wraps, and they fry really fast, really easy to use. I don't normally use these wraps for jam, but I just wanted to try it. because I have a feeling it's gonna be good. Now I'm just gonna dust some icing sugar on them once they're cold, and they're gonna be ready to serve. So now it's time to try the jam. I'm gonna use a cracker and a little bit of the jam. It's looking good. The consistency is awesome, really good. See how it doesn't fall? I wonder if I... Do you see that? Wow! It's cooked. Amazing. I was afraid of doing that. But wow, the consistency is perfect. Yummy. Very good. The fresh chilies takes the jam to a different level. Awesome, just enough. So good. And now I'm gonna try one of the empanaditas, or the jam dumplings. So cute. So good. Alright, this makes a good snack or a good dessert. Good idea. So delicious. And just to think that I was going to throw away the pumpkin. Oh boy, I have to stop doing this, making all these good things and eating them too. Well guys, this is it for this video. I hope that you never ever throw away your Halloween pumpkin again. Just use it. Do something with it. It doesn't have to be jam. You can do something else. You can boil it and eat it. You can make soup out of it. Oh yeah, and the seeds. You can roast them, do a little bit of salt. Perfect. They're really healthy for you too. So yeah guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Do subscribe, comment, share, like, and don't forget to keep up with Linda. Ciao! Bye! The jam is delicious! Ah!